you guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a review of the Artemis CO2 rifle slash pistol. So this gun has arrived from him. I'm really impressed about the quality of this little CO2 pistol slash air rifle. Really not a bad product. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is how the box looks. It has a cover foam to protect the inside. I just put a MacGyver kit something and a flat screwdriver, a spare CO2 cartridge. Okay, so here's the manual. It tells you more about the gun and stuff like that. So here you can see how they tell you how you can make it from the pistol to the long rifle and how to reload your magazines. Okay, so yeah, it's like that. Just put it away like that. Okay, so let's get into. So what you get is your long rifle barrel. That looks like this. Then you have obviously your pistol. Very lightweight pistol. Really loving it. You get two 7 magazines, 2 of them. You get a silencer and the backstock for the long rifle. And here you have 2 Allen keys for the screws and some extra fittings for in case you lose them. Okay, so let's talk more about the pistol. Okay, the pistol, very good quality, very nice eyesight. I'm not good at shooting the pistol. It has a safety at the trigger. If you want to remove the CO2, you take this screw on top of here and you can turn it to put a new CO2 in. You can see here it's a single shot here, so if you pull the bolt you can put the magazine, you just slip it out, but I will show you that later. So here you take off the screw on the bottom. You just slide that out. So you can see this hole. It's an extra space for you to put in a CO2 cartridge. So you can, if you want to shoot a pistol, you can just put it in, but I'm going with the long rifle. So what you do, you just take it and just easy as that, it goes in. And you just take the screw, make sure it's tight in, and you just screw the bolts together. Don't make it too tight. And there you have your backstock. So now I'm going to show you how to remove the barrel. So here is some Allen keys that comes with it, like I said before. So you just take this. The big one is for the barrel. For that you can dry it loose and stuff, but we are going to go on the seals. So here what you do is, you can see there's 3 little screws here that use an Allen key. So you just loosen it up, not too much to let it fall out. So the middle one is the most important one, because he holds everything together so that the air doesn't come out or don't leak or anything. So now I've loosened the bolt, and you just, okay, not enough, sorry, there's a little bit more, okay, that should do it. And you just, there it comes sliding out, so you can put that down. Just don't make sure that stuff doesn't fall off. Then you take your long barrel, so the same, make sure you put this sliding, not put it in hard in, so just slowly should go in. You just make sure your eyesight is really straight. Make sure it's straight. Okay, and then you just making this bolts, just screw it in, not too tight. Okay, so there you have it. You have now your secure pistol on here, and now just going to make this stick it up. So you take the bigger Allen key, you just close it up just like that. Just make sure you tighten it, not too much, but just to hold it in place. Okay, so now the pistol sights is still on here. So what we do, take a screwdriver. First you take a star, or you can choose to take a flat, but let's take the flat one. And you just turn this little thing over up here, and then you can see it comes springing out. There's a little spring, don't let it fall and you lose it. Okay, so now you can see there's a star screw there and a star screw inside. So just, you can take that off. So a little bit, I just wish this screwdriver of mine was magnetic. And there's your little screw in there. So just that one that's left. Just make sure you don't lose any bolt or any screw, because you might just regret it. Awesome. Then you just get that little thing out of there. There you go, another little small screw. Okay, so there you have it. So you can always take this off if you want to put a scope on. You can put a scope on here, you can take that off and you can just put a scope on there. And now there's a little screw on top of here. You screw it off. I like to shoot with my suppressor. It just makes it a little bit sound more sorry, it just sounds a little bit more soft. Okay, so there you have it. Is your long rifle, just like that. Really lightweight. Okay, Okay, so now I've put in a target at 12 meters away from me, and yeah, let's see how this little rifle do. So I'm shooting today the Gamma Pro Hunter Impact. This is a .55 um, millimeter pellet. It is a .22 caliber. Yeah, that's something I didn't say in the video before. This is a .22 caliber. It shoots the 5.5 millimeter pellets. So this Gamma pellets is just amazing for me, and I'm shooting now with the single shot. This is my little sandbags I put here. Okay, so now let's take the first shot. First bullet, the single shot. And now we just, let's see if I can get a 5 grouper. Okay, let's see if I can get a grouper. Second shot. Oh, miss. So, like you guys can see, I just, with my thumb, I just put it in the bolt and I just put down, because if you're just gonna slam it in like that, you may break the bolt. Oh, missed again. It seems like my front aim here is a little bit on this side, so I keep shooting on the left side. I don't know how that is possible, but yeah. So just make sure when you do this, you always make sure your barrel is lined up with your sights. Oh, missed again. But I think also my gas, or sorry, my CO2 cartridge are empty. So yeah, but oh yeah, it doesn't even shoot that. So my CO2 is empty right now, but I have a spare one in here, but that's for another video. So yeah, please like and subscribe if you like the video. If you want to see more of this little rifle slash pistol, if you want to see more videos, please comment down below. There's gonna be a lot of hunting videos and lots of videos, and going to be fun with this little CO2 airtime rifle. And there is going to be videos where I make it in pistol and so on. Yeah, this little air rifle is just phenomenal. It's really high quality. I really recommend it to anyone that is um, learning how to shoot with a air rifle or something like that, like young children in this. But it is a really powerful little rifle. I think it is this. I think this is the five. I get 500 feet per second on the long rifle and 400 feet per second on the pistol. So yeah, that is not really not bad. I mean, for this little thing, it's just amazing. I've shot a few times at this thing. I've shot doves and pigeons with this little rifle from far distance, like I think 30-20 meters. But yeah, there's gonna be lots of videos coming up where I'm going to shoot with this thing. I am gonna get a scope for it, and yeah, uh, yes, I'm just gonna make this little CO2 air rifle just top. So thank you for watching. If you want more videos, like I said, please subscribe and like this video. Really will help me. I'm sorry for the slack of videos. I was really busy this couple of months. But I was waiting for this little thing. It finally arrived. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Cheers.